In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voiceover sound happy in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser. You'll want to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's a quick process. After you're logged in, the next step is to set the right model for your voiceover. So, find the text-to-speech feature on the platform. Here, you should see a variety of options for voice models. It's important to select the 11v3 model, or whatever the latest expressive model is, because this version is specifically designed to capture emotions more effectively. This is crucial for our goal of making a happy voiceover. Once you have the right model selected, let's move to the fun part, crafting your script. In the text box provided, you'll type your text. But don't forget an important detail. Wherever you want the voice to sound happy, you need to use prompt brackets. Simply type the word happy in square brackets in the places you want that cheerful tone to shine through. This little trick helps the model understand exactly how you want the emotions conveyed in the voiceover. When you've finished entering your text and added those prompt brackets, it's time to generate the audio. Take a moment to review everything you've written. Make sure it all reads the way you want it to sound, and then go ahead and click the Generate Speech button. This may take a few moments, so just hang tight while the system processes your request. After the audio is generated, it's time for the most exciting part, listening to your creation. Play the generated audio to check the tone and pace. Is it cheerful enough? Does it reflect the happy emotion you're going for? If you're satisfied with how it sounds, congratulations, you've just created a happy voiceover. Now, if you want to keep this voiceover for future use, you'll need to save it. Simply click the Download button to save the file to your device. Remember where you save it so you can easily access it later for your projects. And that's how you can make a voiceover sound happy using ElevenLabs. It's a straightforward process, but it can really add a fantastic touch to your projects, whether it's for videos, presentations, or even just a personal project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel equipped to create your own happy voiceovers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.